everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This doorbell mount for wireless video doorbells was just a fabulous solution for my new Ring doorbell. I wanted a video doorbell for my side door, but I really didn't want to have to attach something to the side of my home. And the beauty of this mount is there is no drilling. It's securely attached on the inside of the door. It also comes with great instructions based on which video doorbell you're using. And it's nice when you need to charge your doorbell that you can easily unscrew the back and take it out for charging and then just put it back together again and reattach it to your door. This doorbell mount made it so convenient to install my video doorbell. I love that I was able to do it on my own and that it will stay safe and secure on my door. And that's my point of view.